Hi, welcome to my 112 term project video. So for my term project, I made an animation builder called Build Me, and the welcome screen looks like this with the lovely little title, and it says press space to begin. So let's read the tutorial, and it's got a bunch of instructions, but the important part is really down here, where it says press space to start adding shapes, which means to start doing the building, and press H to come back to the tutorial. So let's press space, and now we're in the add screen. And it looks like we can add some squares, circles, or triangles, and I want some blue circles. And how about some orange triangles? Okay, and let's add a couple of green squares. So now we can go to edit mode, and this is a lot of blue, so we're gonna change some of these blue circles to be orange. And now it looks like a lot of orange, so how about pink? And I want these three triangles to be really big. So we're going to press the up key a bunch of times, just like it says in the caption. And now they're a lot larger. And I kind of want to move this middle one, so I'm going to click move, and it's going to move over here, and then I deselected it. So let's go to animation, and it looks like I could do wrap or bounce, so I want these ones to wrap around the screen. And I want these shapes down here to bounce on the screen. And since I can also change the direction, I want these pink wrapping circles to go to the left instead of the right. And I also want them to be faster than everything else. I'm going to press the up key a bunch of times. And now, since let's pretend I don't know how to go to the watch screen, let's press H, go back to the tutorial. And it says right here to watch your animation, press the space bar. This will take you to the watch mode. So let's press space, we're back at the editing, let's press space again, and now this is watch mode, and it says just click anywhere to play. So let's play and see what happens. So as you can see, these shapes down here, we're doing the bouncing, and the other shapes we're all doing wrapping, and these pink circles were a lot faster than the other circles that we're wrapping. So let's press escape to keep editing, and now let's check out path-based animation. So for this, you have to draw a shape, and since we have a bunch of stationary shapes already, let's just kind of have the path sort of work around them. So then you have to select a path. You can select a shape, so let's do not this blue circle, let's do one of these green squares. You click assign, and now it says that they're linked. So let's see what that means. So we can see that this green square was kind of doing that figure 8 that we made with the path, which is great because it means that path-based animation works. But it was also bouncing, and I kind of don't want it to bounce. So I want it to let's have it wrap around. And so now it's just going to keep doing a figure 8 without bouncing. And it looks like that worked too. Great. Is wrapping in a certain direction, so let's have the direction change. And instead of going from the start of the path to the end of the path, let's do the end to the start. So now it's going to follow the opposite direction figure 8 as it was before. Which it was! Yay! And of course, in our animation, we can't have it be without sound, so there's a lovely little relaxing song that plays in the background. And actually, there is one more important feature that I didn't really mention, but with the animation, let's just see. So we can edit the speed and make these go faster. So I'm pressing the up key a bunch of times to make it go faster. And then let's just have these two be in a different direction. So right now the direction is set to left, but the default direction is right, so let's actually just keep it at left. And let's see what happens. So as you can see, this orange triangle was moving really fast and it was bouncing, but this one wasn't really moving. So let's see if maybe that was probably just because we didn't set the animation type. So we go back to type, we go to wrap, and let's have this one go also to the left, which it's already set at. Perfect. And now it's wrapping really slowly, so let's speed that up. And I'm pressing the up key a bunch of times. And play. Perfect, and now you can see that this shape was wrapping really fast, and it was wrapping to the left, and all the other stuff was wrapping in different directions. And so that's all the important stuff in my term project. Thanks for watching.